Hey, I'm Tony Anczer, your Chicagoland and Northwest Indiana real estate agent. Today I'm here at my newest listing in Grant Park, Illinois. This awesome 5-acre property, 3-bed, 3-bath, full basement. This one's got a lot. It's got a really cool shop in the basement too. Looking forward to showing you this one. So let's get started right away here. So as you walk in from the front door, you see that we got a good sized living room. And again, I'm gonna keep calling out the views here because you can see that looking outside, we're just in our nice little area that's wooded here. We'll see like a nice windbreak outside. So as we come in here, see the family room, living room set up. Got some nice built-ins on the entertainment center. Check out the view from what the backyard offers, and we'll go tour out there in just a minute. I'm gonna head down here and we're going to check out the bedrooms and the bathroom. So again, this is 3 bathrooms. This bathroom here is, we got a jacuzzi tub there with what's really cool is that it's heated, and so you can, a lot of times people don't want to have a big bath because the water gets cold, but it's got its own heater for it. This bathroom is recently updated, remodeled. All right, we're gonna go into the master bedroom here. You can see the hardwood floors in these rooms look great. They're in great condition. You see that we've got a master bathroom also here. And again, checking out the view from your master bath here. So we got a tub, shower, toilet, a full vanity there. Over here, we're gonna see a walk-in closet in this master bedroom. It's a good size master closet there. Oh, light just clicked on. Let's look again. Alrighty. All right, so now we're gonna check out the other 2 bedrooms here. So turning to the right, again, hardwood floors in this bedroom. We've got there's a bunk bed set up here. Again, checking out these cool views to the right and to the left. So each side of the house is lined with trees, and so it's really like your own oasis here. Okay, so now we're going to check out the other bedroom here. So carpet's really nice in these 2. It's recent, it's nice and squishy. I love a good nice pad on a carpet, and that's what this house definitely has to offer. So now we're gonna go through the family room into the eat-in kitchen. Again, I can't wait to tour you outside. It's got a lot to offer there. So we've got a nice sized eat-in kitchen here. Lots of surface area for counters and cabinets. You see the kitchen table. It's a pretty good sized table. It fits nicely in here. Again, these views are pretty next level. All right, yeah, check out all that. And we'll check that out in a second here. So now we're going to check out the walk-in room. So the garage is there, and then we got an entrance to outside right here. We'll just peek around and we will take a tour outside, but this is what the view from here looks like. Oh, a little teaser, there's a koi pond over there that we'll check out in just a minute. So now we're going to check out this bathroom here. So we got a half bath. So half bath as you walk in. Coat closet, so it's great. You walk in from the garage, you got your coat closet, you got a bench to sit down, take your shoes on or off. Garage here, we got a nice 2-car. So you got an insulated garage door too. It's very tight when it comes to like insulation and wind and all that good stuff. So nice and spacious. You can easily fit 2 cars in the garage with some additional storage. All right, so now we're going to cruise downstairs. So downstairs, as we'll see, we have a separate area for the shop and a game room type setup here. So, all right, so here we've got, you can see, let's look at tons of storage, open area. We got the games area over here, pool table set up with a ping pong top also. This is pretty neat here too, because you got by the koi pond, this feeds the water to the outside, so it's nice and easy to winterize. You see that this pipe here has a radon unit, so you got the radon system in the house. Included in this house is this nice extra washer, not washer, that's not a washer. That is a refrigerator and a freezer. Also recent is a new pressure tank. That's a really good size one too. The storage units most of them are included here. And then we're gonna walk in. This awesome area is the wood shop. So yeah, this is a nice size area. This room also has its own unit heater too, if you need a little extra heat in the winter time. All right, so now we're going to check out the outside. All right, we're gonna go out the side door, walk around the front. So that's another entrance to the garage there. I think it's a really windy day today. Hopefully the audio's okay, but there's a windbreak all around with the trees and bushes. The plantings here are pretty amazing. They're labeled here. You'll see that the sellers here are really big into gardening, and it looks really cool. I thought it was really neat that everything was labeled so you know what the plants are. All right, got this trellis here. Makes a nice sitting area. Again, this is all shady, so even on those hot days, you can come out here and be in shade. Here is the koi pond, and let me grab a little. Check this out. We got some food here for the fishes, and let's see how this goes. Nice, that's pretty fun to see. So we got the pump system over there. Again, this is really cool, this nice sitting area. All right, we're gonna cruise back to the back of the yard. As we walk back, we'll see you got the nice deck. And we got a couple really good sized storage sheds too. All right, so this walks right off of the family room here. Got a grill set up here, nice cutting top. It's pretty cool. We got a swing, another rocker, glider rocker there. Nice decked off area. And the yard goes all the way to the trees in the back, if you can see back there. So that parcel bit of land that looks like it's a pasture, of which it is right now, is also part of this property too. Just gonna walk around, check out some of the plants and vegetation. We got a variety of trees here. We got apple, pear. All right, there's a lot to this backyard to take in. It's really cool to look around. And then we'll show photos here of what it looks like in full bloom too. All right, so we got two storage sheds here. These are pretty good size. I'll take a look at the first one. There we go. And then we also, the other one is a little new. Oh, there's also electric ran to this. So it's got a light. If you wanted to run electric heater out there, you could. And then this is a Yoder shed. Got the ramp up for the lawnmower. This one's really nice. It's got two loft spaces in it. So here you see, got loft space 1, loft space 2. So this gives you a lot of storage. right, well, I hope you enjoyed this tour as much as I have. This house has tons to offer. Please reach out to schedule your showing or to make your offer. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you around town.